Hello friends, welcome to my channel Pinto Cuisine. Hope you all are doing good, and in today's video I'm going to show how to make chicken sweet corn soup. It's a thick soup made with few ingredients. You can make this at home and enjoy hot soup. It keeps you warm in winter, and for that I've taken 2 cups of sweet corn, add it in a vessel, keep it on medium flame, add half a cup of water, cover and cook till the water reduces. Once the water reduces, remove half and leave it aside in order to add it later on. And the remaining half, put it in the blender jar, add water and blend it. So in order to make a good soup, we need stock. So in a vessel, add water, 250 grams of chicken pieces, add 1 onion, 1 carrot, medium dice, some peppercorns, 10 to 12, garlic clove, 5 pieces. Let it simmer till the chicken cooks. So now I've taken 3 scallions, green onion. You need to chop them roughly. Keep the white part separate and the green part separate. Green part for later use. So once you chop, keep it aside. In a vessel, add oil 1 tablespoon, chop garlic 1 tablespoon, saute till it becomes golden brown in color, add white part scallions, green onion, saute it for a while. Once this is ready, add corn puree, pass water to the jar and add. Now you need to add the stock. Once the stock is ready, what you have to do is strain the stock. Chicken pieces you need to debone and keep it aside. Now add black pepper, half a tablespoon, salt. You need to add corn, vinegar, 1 teaspoon, sugar, 1 teaspoon. Remove the scum once it is simmering. Now add 2 tablespoon cornstarch mixed in water and let it simmer. Once it is slowly simmering, add 2 eggs, beaten eggs, and mix it. Now at this time you need to check the seasoning. Now once it start to simmer, add chicken which you have deboned and kept and green parts, scallions, and mix it well. Guys, check this out. Your soup is ready. This is how you have to make chicken sweet corn soup, and you all can enjoy this. Guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do share with your friends and subscribe. Thanks for watching and God bless you all.